Angels Rest, and we were meeting Texoma there, and then I'm starting back on trail. So today's the day. Yeah, I'm pretty nervous because it's going to be kind of like from couch to trail, so it could be a little bit scary. I think we're thinking about slack packing 15 miles or so today back to Angels Rest. The weather's supposed to be pretty nasty later, thunderstorms and all kinds of stuff. So that's the plan right now, but that could change.
Number one left. Chris, give me a suggestion. Well, here's what I wrote down. Here's short green pants.
Looky what the cat drug in. It's Texoma. Well, I'm back on the AT with Texoma up there. It's going to be a rude awakening. We are slack packing today from Angels Rest. Rabbit just dropped us off, and we've got either a 15 or a 20 mile day today. We haven't really decided which. Probably 20. There's a bunny on the trail. Hi, bunny. Hi, bunny. At least it's not Yellow Jackets. Oh, he's cute. You want to take him to Maine?
Let's go. Bang that. See if you can make it the whole way.
Oh, well, duh. There's a sign. Ooh, the flowers are everywhere. Doesn't show how steep this is. It's really flattened out. It's pretty. Look at the size of these trees. God, look at that. Good morning, everyone. So I hadn't officially said good morning to everybody since I've been out. It's kind of been a whirlwind. Yeah, so suddenly I'm back on the Appalachian Trail. Wow. And we are slack packing today back to Angels Rest. Gonna do 20 miles, which is a little ambitious for the first day back, but it's kind of what we need to do. So anyway, it is nice and cool. We thought we were gonna get rain on, we still may. I think rain's coming in later. So, but it's great hiking, and the spring flowers are everywhere. So I have been loving it. I keep stopping to take pictures. No view today. Still pretty though. Yeah, there's so many flowers. I'm loving it. A little meadow. Construction. Interesting. Okay, this is real quick filming. It is cold. Woo! Windy, raining, fog. Look at the, can you see that? It's so foggy up here. I can imagine this would be really cool if it was clear. Okay, so cute. Okay, so there's been a lot of filming going on today. It's been raining pretty solid all afternoon, and so we are going to call it at 15 miles, and we're waiting for a shuttle back to Angel's Rest, and both of us are pretty tired and beat up. I mean, first day back, 15 miles, even slack pack, that's not too shabby. Okay, so I neglected to close out the video last night. Imagine that. I would never do that, right? We got back to Angel's Rest Hostel, and both of us were about frozen. We were soaking wet and miserable and shivering, and so by the time we got here, we were just really ready to get warm. So it was immediately get all those wet clothes off, get a hot shower, and this is Roadrunner. So anyway, we ended up doing 15 miles yesterday. Not too bad for getting started back out there, even though we slack packed. We didn't have full packs, so that made it a little easier. But I was still really sore last night. But we only got 15. We didn't get the 20, so we've got to do a 5 today, which is actually really good, and I'm really happy about that. So Texan and I are going to go out there and knock this 5 out, and then tomorrow we'll jump up and start north for real. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little while. Waiting on the shuttle right now. It's turning into a real pretty morning. And of course, there's a climb right off the bat. As you can see, well, you can't really tell because it flattens everything out, but we're pretty much steadily climbing. But it is pretty this morning. It's pretty warm. Big change from yesterday. Nothing like the smell of construction in the morning along the AT, and trash, lots of trash. It's awesome. It's a weird little section. Oh my God, we just saw a bear. Last thing I expected to see. Did he keep going?
Yeah, he moved on after he said he was still there.
Oh.
So he'd go around that. So
Maybe we'll see him again.
I think he's by itself.
Well,
Hey, Mom.
yeah, let's hope so. Gonna fall trying to look for a bear. Oh man, I saw his butt. Yep. I don't see him now. Alright, so we're already at the back down to the highway. We're getting ready to cross the water. And yeah, Never would have believed seeing a bear on that short little 5-mile stint, and then him almost stepping on a snake. Pretty cool. People just don't care, you know. I just can't imagine that. My mom, I would have gotten a spanking for sure. Real rude. There's a break in the fence right up here, it looks like. Hey Greg, look, it's a cattle dog. Okay, we just finished eating at the Mexican restaurant and completely forgot, sorry Kitty, completely forgot that it was Cinco de Mayo, and it was very busy. So we just got to the grocery store and headed back to the hostel. So we are back at Angel's Rest. Just went and got some Mexican food. Both of us are pretty tired. Packed house here. It's definitely going to be a crowded night, but it's okay. I'm just ready to go to sleep already. Going to be heading out, not sure exactly what time tomorrow. Planning on doing maybe 12 miles or so. Anyway, I am gonna close this video out and go get some rest, and I will see you guys in the morning. Yeah. There's a little Micah over there.